Welcome to the channel. Keeping in view the background of PIA privatization, our today's subject of discussion is Airlines Performance Indicators. This is, in general, is our video number 99. Coming to the Airline Performance Indicator, number one category is Financial Performance Indicator related to profitability and strength, that is, revenue and profitability, and that is operating margin in percentage, which is the core profitability of flying operations. Then comes net profit margin, that is overall indicating overall financial health. The third is revenue per available seat kilometer, that is RASK, indicating pricing and revenue efficiency. And finally, yield, revenue per passenger per kilometer. That is the fare strength. Coming to the 1.2 related to financial performance, and that is cost efficiency. Cost incurred per available seat per kilometer, that is SAS of an airline, that is unit cost benchmark. Number 2, CASK ex-fuel, management controllable cost, that the cost excluding fuels, which is the cost which is not controllable in general. Fuel cost as the percentage of the total cost, that is sensitivity to the oil prices. Then come operational performance indicator, execution quality, and number one is capacity and utilization. That is available seat kilometer as capacity offer, revenue passenger kilometer, that is the what is the demand captured. Then comes load factor, that is RPK divided by ASK, that is seat utilization efficiency. Then come aircraft and network efficiency. Aircraft utilization, the indicator is hours per day, is indicating asset productivity. Then come turnaround time in minutes, that's the ground efficiency. Then stage length, average distance, that is network economics. Third important indicator is on time and reliability performance. And one of the most important is OTP in percentage. That is flight departing divided by arriving on time. This is the timing efficiency and punctuality of an airline. Completion factor, flights actually operated, cancellation rate in percentage, delay in minutes per departures. These strongly influenced brand reputation and repeat demand. Fourth indicator is customer experience and a commercial strength. That is Net Promoter Score (NPS), indicating customer loyalty. Number 2, customer complaint rate related to service quality. Number 3, ancillary revenue per passenger offsetting upselling effectiveness. Number 4, premium cabin load factor, high yield customer strength. Number 5 is safety regulation compliance. These are non-negotiable KPIs. Very important. That is accident rate or incident rate. Number 2, IOSA IATA operational safety audit status. Number 3, regulatory findings by CEA, CAA, FAA, EASA, and then crew training and recruitment compliance rate. Financially strong airline with weak safety metrics is not considered as a high-performing airline. Here, some of the term explanation of the some of the terms which were used in operational safety audit. First is IOSA. This is what it is, a global safety audit program that checks whether an airline follows international operation safety standards. Simple meaning, in this airline, is this airline safe enough to meet global standards? It covers flight operations, maintenance, crew training, and safety management system. It is mandatory for most international partnerships. Investors won't touch an airline without strong safety credibility. And IATA is a global body representing airlines worldwide, simply the rule maker and the coordinator of global airline operations. Its key role is set industry standards, that is ticketing, safety, and operations, facilitates airline cooperations, provides global benchmark. It matters because its membership is equal to indicates global credibility, and it is essential for international operations and alliances. चंद और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पाकिस्तान की सिविल एविएशन अथॉरिटी, फेडरल एविएशन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की, यूरोपियन यूनियन एविएशन सेफ्टी ईयू की। इन सब का मतलब है these authority decide where an airline is allowed to fly or not. Matters because if restricted by these organizations, then revenue of an airline will collapse. Investors avoid airlines with regulatory uncertainty. Number 6, human capital performance. That is another performance indicator. And the indicators in the KPIs, revenue per employee, cost per employee, pilot cabin crew productivity hours per month, employees turnover rate, industrial dispute frequency. Number 7, sustainability and ESG indicator. This is becoming increasingly critical. Number 1, absolutely related to the environment, that is CO2 per ASK, that is gram CO2 carbon dioxide emission per ASK available seat kilometer, indicating thereby fuel and environmental efficiency. And number 2, average fleet age, fuel burns and emission proxy. Number 3, sustainable aviation fuel, SAF percentage usage. Number 4, noise and emission compliance records. The CO2 per ASK in terms of grams CO2 per ASK in carbon emission per seat per kilometer, meaning thereby how much pollution an airline produces for each seat it offers per kilometer. For example, CO2 emission in total is 20,000 kilograms. ASK available seat kilometer is 1 million. Then CO2 per ASK is 0.02 kg or 0.20 grams per ASK. It matters low if it is lower, the airline is more fuel efficient and environmental friendly. And the value is higher, meaning thereby the aircraft are older with high fuel cost. It has strategic importance, such as airlines like Qatar Airways have lower emissions. They have Qatar Airways fleet is most modern. Older fleets like PIA unfortunately has higher emission, resulting in higher cost plus regulatory pressure. Number 8, market and competitive position. This is another set of indicators that indicating the number one indicator is market share in a percentage, network connectivity index, hub dominance ratio, brand strength, and Skytrax rating. What is Skytrax rating? Skytrax rating is global quality ranking system for airlines and airports, widely used to judge customer experience and service quality. It is not related to airline profitability, etc., etc. It is customer based. It is like a hotel star rating, but for airlines. They assess real passenger experience, not just financial or operational data. For example, a onboard experience by the customer, including seat comfort, cabin cleanliness, in-flight entertainment, and quality of food and beverage. B. Service quality, that is cabin crew behavior, professionalism, and responsiveness. They assess the real passenger experience, not just financial or operational data, including ground experience too, that is check-in process, boarding efficiency, and airport services. The famous Skytrax rating, World Airlines Award, often called it Oscars of aviation industry. And as on today, the top performers, according to the Skytrax Awards or rating, are Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, and Emirates. Qatar has been rated as five-star airline, that is premier and bird class. Likewise, Emirates is also five-star, high quality service. Air India is four-star, as at it improving, and PIA is three-star, average and inconsistent. Why it matter, especially for privatization? Because number one, investor confidence. Higher Skytrax rating mean strong brand value, easier to attract partnership. It shall have effect on the revenue, better experience, higher ticket prices, and yield. More repeat customers, global reputation, low rating mean weak international perception. Airline performance indicator, airline specific composite KPI, common benchmarks, RASK, CASK that indicate true operating profitability. Load factor into yield that indicate revenue quality. OTP into completion factor that is operational reliability. CASK ex fuel versus peers that is management efficiency. What could performance look like? Indicative benchmarks. The benchmarks are load factor 80 to 88%, operating margin 8 to 15% as an excellent, over on-time performance more than 85% is the global benchmark. CASK ex-fuel are lower than regional fuels. Fleet age less than 10 to 12 years. We take away from this discussion a high-performing airline simultaneously delivers low unit cost, high load factors, reliable operations, strong safety culture, satisfied customers, and sustainable profitability. An executive insight, airline success is not based on one metric, like Rayon wins on cost, Qatar wins on premium revenue, Etihad wins on turnaround, Emirates wins on scale plus brand, PIA unfortunately fails due to structural inefficiency. With this, we conclude our today's discussion on the subject of performance indicators of global airlines. If you like our presentation, if you have liked our efforts, please subscribe, like, share as soon as possible to receive such kind of videos on a unique subject in the future too. Thank you for watching and thank you very much.